Hello everyone. In backtesting, you have two sections. The first one is your input and the second one, the result. In the input, first you have to select the symbol and your time frame. As by default it is 3 years. You can change it. Then you have to add a leg for your backtesting. You have the symbol, quantity, type of the option, call or put, then strike price and delta. Let's take strike of 0. Then you have buy and sell. Add. After adding a leg, you have to select your expiry, that is monthly or weekly. That trade initiation, here you have to select how many days before the expiry you want to initiate your trade. Let's take 20. Then you have the additional filter of OI and the volume. You can select that for your leg. Then trade exit. In trade exit, you have to fill the number of days before the expiry you want to exit your trade. Let's take 0. Then you can take your target profit and stop loss and backtest. Then you will have the payoff chart and the stats about your strategy. You can have different chart views, can also export, and lastly, you also have the table view. In table view, you can see the each and every trade along with the entry and the exit date, quantity, type of the option, strike, expiry, and M2M for each of the leg of your strategy. Thank you.